Hello! We are now in lesson 24. So, we will discuss the sound of ish, ch, and j. So, it is written as downward straight line. Okay, ish. Ayan, downward straight line. Then ch, longer than ish. Then J, much longer than J. So, small, medium, and large. Okay. So, example from Gregg Shorthand. Let's start from the sound of ish. Okay. She. So, ish, e. Shown, ish, o-n. Share, ish, a, r. Okay. Next, issue, e, ish, oo. Ship, ish, e, p. Okay, next. Sound of che. Check. Che, e, k. Choose, J, O, S. Chair, J, A, R. Teach, T, E, J. Search, S, E, R, J. Okay, church, J, E, R, J. Next, for the sound of J, age, A, J. Wages, oo, A, J, S. Change, J, A, N, J. Large, L, A, R, J. Jury, J, U, R, E. Jewels, J, U, L, S. Okay, so for common letter salutations and closing. So this is the stroke of Gregg Shorthand. Okay, so dear sir, D, S. Dear madam, D, M. Yours truly, O, T. Sincerely yours, S, E, N, U. Yours very truly, O, V, T. Very truly yours, V, T, O. Okay, so please practice your shorthand strokes. So this is the end of our lessons, and for the next lessons, I'll give you another set of oral reading. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.